Porsche is celebrating the 60th anniversary of the iconic 911 with the release of a special edition model, the 911 ST. Limited to 1,963 units, this model promises a purist driving experience, combining elements from the 911 GT3 with Touring Package and the 911 GT3 RS. It features a 4-liter flat-six engine, delivering 518 horsepower, paired with a short-ratio manual transmission, emphasizing agility and driving dynamics. The 911 ST, weighing just 1,380 kilograms, stands as the lightest model of the 992 generation. The design of the 911 ST is a testament to Porsche's GT and motorsport expertise, focusing on nimble and agile handling for maximum enjoyment on public roads. It draws inspiration from the original 911S racing version of the late 1960s, incorporating exclusive components and a unique combination of features for a distinctive driving experience within the GT portfolio of the 911 range. Consistent lightweight construction contributes to the 911 ST's agile and direct handling. Components such as the front bonnet, roof, doors, roll cage, and rear anti-roll bar are made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic. The model also features magnesium wheels, a PCCB system, a lithium-ion starter battery, and lightweight glass as standard. The deletion of rear-wheel steering and weight savings in the powertrain result in a curb weight of just 1,380 kilograms, making it nearly 40 kilograms lighter than a 911 GT3 Touring with a manual transmission. Porsche engineers have developed a new lightweight clutch exclusively for the 911 ST, reducing the weight of the rotating mass by 10.5 kilograms. This, along with a 6-speed manual transmission with shorter gear ratios than the 911 GT3, enhances the responsiveness of the naturally aspirated flat-six engine. The 911 ST can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and reach a limited top speed of 186 miles per hour. The aerodynamic features of the 911 ST are optimized for road use, including a gurney flap on the retractable rear spoiler and modifications on the front end and underbody. It comes with 20-inch front and 21-inch rear lightweight center-locking magnesium wheels and ultra-high-performance tires, ensuring a high level of mechanical grip. The interior features CFRP full bucket seats with the 4-way adjustable Sport Seat Plus available at no extra charge. An optional exclusive heritage design package is available for the 911 ST, introducing the new exterior color, Shore Blue Metallic, and the wheel rim color, Ceramica. This package includes two-tone semi-aniline leather trim in black classic cognac, a roof lining in perforated Dynamica, and other elements from the Porsche exclusive manufacture. The Porsche logo and the 911 ST model designation on the rear of the car are finished in gold, underscoring the historic roots of the model. As a special extra, Porsche offers the chronograph 911 ST watch, limited to 1,963 examples, exclusively to customers of the 911 ST. This timepiece features a titanium case and a rotor in the design of the magnesium wheel of the 911 ST, embodying the lightweight design principle of the purist new 911 Special Edition. The chronograph is powered by the Porsche Design Work with COSC certification and flyback function. The Porsche 911 ST is a celebration of the 911's 60th anniversary, offering a unique and purist driving experience. It combines elements from various 911 models, features lightweight construction, and focuses on agile handling for driving on public roads. The optional heritage design package and the exclusive chronograph 911 ST watch add to the exclusivity and appeal of this limited edition model. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.